Hello students, good morning. Yesterday I taught you some rules of comparison. I hope you remember all that rules. Now today, with the help of that all rules and with the help of bigger number and smaller number, we are going to study some more topics regarding the numbers. This is our fifth online lecture. So, in our chapter number 2, Fun with Numbers, we are going to first refer rules of comparison, then increasing order, decreasing order, then ascending order, then some exercise for ascending order, descending order, and again some exercise for descending order. Let us revise some rules of comparison. Your rule number 1. First, see the number given and then count the number of digits. So, your rule number 1 is first you have to count the number of digits. Rule number 2, if number of digits are same, then see and compare the first digit from left side. Rule number 3, if the first digits are same, then see and compare the second digit from left side. Rule number 4, if first and second digits are same, then see and compare the third digit from left side. Do you know what is the increasing order and decreasing order? Let us see here with the help of one example. Here A, B, C and D are four friends. Their heights are 159 centimeter, 172 centimeter, 169 centimeter and 168 centimeter respectively. Means the height of A is 159, height of B is 172, height of C is 169 and height of D is 168. With the help of this example, can you tell which is the shortest? Again, you can tell which one is the tallest. To find out the answer of this question, we have to arrange these all numbers in increasing order as well as in the decreasing order. So first, if we arrange this all height in their increasing order, then see here. So first we can write down the height of A, that is the 159, D 168, C 169, B 172. So we get the answer of first question. Which one is the shortest? So we can say that A is the shortest because the height of A is smallest among these three. Now, if we want to find out the answer of second one, which one is the tallest? For that, we have to arrange these all heights in the decreasing order. So, first of all, the height of B is 172, C 169, D 168 and A 159. So we get the answer of second question. Which one is the tallest? So we can say B is the tallest. So whenever we are arranging the numbers in increasing order, we get the answer of smallest number. Which is the smallest number? So we can say here 159 is the smallest number. And whenever we arranging the numbers in decreasing order, we are getting the answer of biggest number. So we can say here 172 is the biggest number. In increasing order, we have to write down first small number, then we have to write down biggest number. Whereas in decreasing order, first of all we have to write down biggest number, then small, small and small number. Do you know what is ascending order? Let us see. Ascending order. When the numbers are arranged from the smallest to the largest number, those numbers are said to be in an ascending order. So in ascending order, we have to write down first smallest number and then largest and largest number. When we arrange the numbers in an increasing order, first you have to write down smallest number and then you have to move to the largest number. So we can say that when we arrange the numbers in an increasing order, it is known as ascending order. So another name of ascending order is increasing order. In increasing order, in ascending order, you have to write down first smallest number and then you move to the largest number. For example, here, arrange the numbers in ascending orders from 5 to 11. So from this both the numbers, you have how many numbers? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. From these all numbers, which is the smallest number that you have to write down first. So you can write down like this: 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. The numbers are arranged from the smallest to largest number. You see here, 5 is the smallest number, whereas the 11 is the largest number. So the another name for ascending order is increasing order. One more example for ascending order. See here, I am giving one picture to you here. Here number 1, 2, 3 and 4. These numbers are arranging in ascending order. So in ascending order, first you have to write down smallest number, then move to the largest number. So here 1 is the small, then after 2, then after 3 and then after 4. See one another example. Here I am giving three numbers to you: 784, 432, 679. You have to arrange these three numbers in ascending order. So in ascending order, first you have to write down smallest number. So among these three, which one is the smallest number? 432. Then after, two numbers are left: 784, 679. From this both number, which one is the smallest number? 679. And then after 784. So what is the answer of your ascending order? First you have to write down 432, second number 679 and third number 784. These numbers are in their ascending order. Another name of ascending order is increasing order. Now some examples of ascending order. See here, I am giving one table to you. In that first column numbers, and here you are getting three numbers and you have to arrange that three numbers in their ascending order. Your number 1, 230, 203 and 230. From this you see first which one is the smallest number. 203 is the smallest. So write down first, then rest of 2, 230, 213. Which one is the smallest? 213. And then which one is left? 230. Number 2, 532, 90, 238. Here we have to apply our rule number. First, count the number of digits. Here number of digits of 90 is only 2 digits. That's why this 90 is the smallest number. So write down first 9090. Then number of digits are same. So count, see the first digit. rest of two numbers. Which is the rest of two number? 532, 238. From this both, which one is the smallest? 238 is the smallest number. So write down second one, 238. And then remaining one, which one is remaining? 532. Number 3, 782, 349, 741. Here we have to apply first our second rule. First digits, number of digits are same. That's why you have to see the first digit. In 782, 7 is there. 349, 3 is there. 741, 7 is there. From these three number, which is the smallest? 349. So write down 349 first. Then rest of 2. First digit is same. So see the second digit. In 782, 8 is there. 741, 4 is there. So which is the second number? 741. And rest number 782. Number 4. 901, 109, 190. Here we can't apply our first rule because the number of digits are same. See our second rule. Second rule is that first you have to see the first digit. In 901, 9, 109, 1, 190 is 1 also. So in this both number 109 and 190 we have to see the second digit. In second digit 109 is 0 and in 190 it's a 9. So which one is the smallest number first? 109, then 190 and then 901. See the fifth number 809, 908, 708. You already see here 7 is the smallest number, so you have to write down first 7, then 809 and then 908. Number 6, 342, 242, 142. Here number of digits are same. So you see the first digit of all the numbers. So 1 is the smallest number. So you write down first 142. Then after rest of 2 is 342 and 242. In this both number 242 is smallest. So write down 242 and then 342. Last example 564, 654, 754. You see here number of digits are same. You have to see only the first digit. First digit 5, 6, 7. This number already in their ascending order. So you just put this number as it is. First 564, 654 and 754. Please do not write down all the answers as it is like this number because some of the numbers are different. They given in different sequence. So please do not mug up. What is descending order? When the numbers are arranged from the largest to the smallest number, those numbers are said to be in descending order. So in descending order, first you have to write down largest number and then move to the smallest number. When we arrange the numbers in decreasing order we also write down first largest number and then decrease the number. So when we arrange the numbers in decreasing order, they are known as descending order. Let us see that thing with the help of one example. Arrange the numbers in descending order from 23 to 17. So in descending order, in decreasing order, you have to move backward. You have to do backward counting like this. 23 to 17. Before 23, 22, before 22, 21, before 21, 20, before 20, 19, before 19, 18, before 18, it's a 17. So in descending decreasing order, you have to counting backward. So your answer is 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17. These numbers are arranged from the largest to smallest number. So in decreasing order, you have to do counting backward, whereas in increasing order, you have to counting forward counting. See here, I am giving one chart for the decreasing order. See here, whenever we arrange the numbers in decreasing order, first we have to write down biggest number and then move to the smallest number. So among these four, 1, 2, 3, 4, which one is the largest number that you have to write down first? 4 is the largest number, and then 3, then 2, and then 1. So in decreasing order, descending order, you have to write down first largest number and then move to the smallest number. One more example for descending order. Arrange the numbers 784, 432 and 679 in an decreasing order. See here, which one is the biggest number, which one is the largest number? See, 784 is the largest number. So you have to write down first 784. Then which one is moved to the smallest number? Rest of 2 from 432 and 679. Which one is the largest number that you have to write down first? So 679 is the largest and then 432. So your descending order for this number is 784, 679 and then 432. Let us solve this exercise of descending order. First, number in this table, numbers, and you have to arrange these three numbers in that descending order. Please one thing keep in your mind that first in descending order you have to largest number first and then move to the smallest number, largest number to smallest number. Your number 1, 230, 203 and 213. Among these three, suppose if we apply our rule number first, it is not applied because the number of digits are same. So we have to move to our first rule. Our first rule is that you see the first digit. Again here the first digit is same. So our rule number 2. Our rule number 2 is that if the first digits are same, then you have to see the second digit. So in 230, our second digit is 3. Then in 203, it's a 0. And in 213, that is the 1. So among these three numbers, which one is the largest that you have to write down first? So your first largest number is 230. Then second largest is 213. And then rest of the numbers, that is the 203. See the second one, 532, 9090 and 238. Here your first rule is that see the number of digits. So this 90 is the smallest number. The rest of two number is 532 and 238. From this both number, which is the largest number that you have to write down first? So 532 is the largest, then 238 and then 90. Third, 782, 349, 741. From this, number of digits are same in first number and in third number. First digit is also same. So see the second digit, that is the 782. that is the largest number. So see, write down 782, then largest number 741, and then smallest number 349. Number 4, 901, 109, 190. Among these three, which one is the biggest? 901. So write down 901 first. From this 109, 190. Which one is the biggest? 190. Because the second digit 9 is bigger than 0. That's why your second number is 190 and then 109. Number 5. 809, 908, 708. From this three number, which is the biggest? You see the first digit 897. So your 908 is the biggest number. So write down first, then 809 and then 708. Sixth number 342, 242, 142. See here, number of digits is same, and this number already in the descending order, because here write down largest number first and then move to the smallest number. So you have to write down this number as it is. 342, 242 and 142. Number 7. 564, 654, 754. See here, your first digit is 754 is the biggest. So write down 754 first, then 654 and then 564. I hope you understand all these example and all these topics very well. Thank you again.